Hello viewers, let us solve this CET question. Let L denote the set of all straight lines in a plane. Let a relation R be defined by alpha related to beta. This implies and implied by alpha perpendicular to beta. Alpha beta belongs to R. Then R is. Here the options are reflexive only, symmetric only, transitive only, and none of these. See here we have to test the equivalence relation or not, that is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. See before going to that, ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವೋ ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನು ಏನು, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ alpha comma beta such that alpha related to beta and implies and implied by alpha is perpendicular to beta. This is the relation he has given. Now let us check the symmetry. See the first reflexive check ಮಾಡೋಣ, reflexivity. Now if alpha belongs to the set of lines L, say set of lines L ಅನ್ನು L ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. Now ಈಗ is alpha is perpendicular to alpha for all alpha belongs to the lines. So is every line is perpendicular to itself? No, see it is not perpendicular to itself. Therefore R is not reflexive. Now let us check the symmetry. See let us consider, let alpha comma belongs to R such that alpha is perpendicular to beta. Now if alpha is perpendicular to beta, is it implies beta is perpendicular to alpha? Yes, of course, because if one line is perpendicular to another line, see another line obviously perpendicular to the first line. Therefore this implies beta comma alpha also belongs to a relation. See that means alpha comma beta belongs to R implies beta comma also belongs to R. Therefore this is R is symmetric. Next, transitive. See transitivity, let us check the transitivity. Let alpha comma beta belongs to L and beta comma gamma belongs to R relation R is clearly alpha comma gamma need not be belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Therefore the answer is option B, symmetric only.